Get ready to fall in love with dinner. Start by melting a little butter and frying Rawdah chicken meatballs until golden and irresistible. Set them aside for now. Then, chop fresh garlic and basil, because flavor begins here. In the same pan, heat some sun-dried tomato oil. Toss in the garlic and let it sizzle. Stir in a rich spoonful of tomato paste. Then add chicken broth and let it simmer gently. Now it's time to get creamy. Pour in heavy cream, add parmesan, and stir until smooth and luscious. A sprinkle of Italian seasoning. And just like that, the sauce is pure magic. Bring back those golden meatballs. Season with pepper and salt and toss them into all that creamy goodness. Add juicy sun-dried tomatoes for an extra burst of flavor. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh basil. And there you have it. Creamy chicken meatballs. One bite, and you'll know. It's love at first taste.